In this video, I'll show you how to summarize PDFs with Claude AI step by step. This is a simple way to quickly understand long documents without reading everything. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main chat screen. Next, I'll move my cursor to the message box at the bottom of the screen where I normally type my prompts. On the left side of the message field, I'll click the plus icon to open the upload options. From the menu that appears, I'll select the option to upload a file. After clicking that, a file browser window will open on my computer. Here I'll locate the PDF file that I want Claude to summarize. I'll select the PDF and click Open to upload it. Once the PDF finishes uploading, it will appear inside the message area in the chat. Now I'll click in the message box and type a prompt asking Claude to summarize the document. For example, I can type something like, "Please summarize this PDF and highlight the key points." After entering my prompt, I'll click the Send button. Claude will then read the contents of the PDF and generate a summary of the document, usually highlighting the most important ideas and sections. If I want more details, I can also ask Claude to summarize specific pages, explain certain sections, or create bullet points from the document. And that's it. I've successfully summarized a PDF using Claude AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.